What's up, guys? I just want to put out this quick video to show this skateboard build I did, as well as highlight the creator of the deck, Johnny Manak. Right off the bat, Johnny Manak makes all of his skateboards here in America in his own backyard at his house. If you don't know who he is, you can find a video that Braille did on him. They went to his little factory where he makes boards, and he made a board for them right there. So if you want an American-made board, or basically a handmade board that's not done in some factory over in China or Mexico, look up Manak Skates. Not only did they send me this board, but they sent me a bunch of swag, like a ton of stickers, which is cool. And he sent me this poster that's even got a little personalized note. So if you're into that kind of thing, custom handmade stuff, or you want an actual relationship with the person making the product that you're buying, check out Manak Skates. They make their decks in different sizes, and the cool thing is he marks them, because based on the stack up that they do, maybe there's 4 or 5 per press, the higher the board is on the stack, the more curvature it's going to have. So you can actually almost kind of pick your curvature you want on your board. So that's pretty cool. And the board, I believe, was like 80, 85 bucks, something like that. So you're really only looking at $10, $20 more than like a regular old shop deck. So I wanted an American-made board. It's actually pretty difficult to do. There's certain components that you just cannot get made in America, so I just basically tried to make this a non-Chinese board. First and foremost is an 8.5-inch deck. Obviously, Manak Skates, made here in America by hand, so that's cool. I do not know where the grip tape is made. Probably not in the US. For the trucks, I wanted hollow stage 11s, American-made, and you can really only get those through the secondary market, like on eBay, so these weren't cheap. They're not super expensive. Some people are selling these things for like $300-400 bucks. These are Grosso trucks. I'm not really a big, Grosso fan, but beggars can't be choosers. But these are American made. They are stage 11s. They're full hollows. I say full hollows because I've gotten some older hollow trucks where just the axle's hollow, but the kingpin is not. So it's full hollow. It's a 149, and it's never been used. So that's what I was looking for. And so I got these. For the bearings, I did some Swiss 6. I didn't go with the ceramics because they're expensive. I have ceramics on another board. I just wanted Swiss bearings, so they wouldn't be Chinese bearings. And the Swiss 6, I believe, are like 60 bucks. A lot more than just your regular old bearings, but still a lot cheaper than the ceramics. Then we've got the Peralta Dragon wheels. I believe Peralta makes their wheels in America. I'm not 100% positive. I looked online, was trying to find where it says made in America, made USA. Couldn't find it. But other than that, so we've got Swiss and mostly American made. Other than maybe the grip tape and of course the hardware, I looked everywhere. I could not find hardware made in the US. There's a company that makes some cool titanium hardware. Not really super cheap, but I thought about it because it'd be kind of cool. But I just wasn't positive if they were made in the US. Most likely not. Most hardware is made in China. But for the most part, all the major components I was able to successfully make an American-made board. This one I'm not going to skate, just because, 1, super expensive. 2, I just don't want to trash. I don't know. It's, to me at this point, it's kind of like a little work of art, and it was just kind of a can it be done project. And I have plenty of other skateboards, so this one's just going to be like a little collector piece that I'm going to have. I don't want to trash it up, especially, can't be grinding on these trucks. They weren't exactly cheap. Full build, I think I paid $160 for the trucks, 80 something to 90 bucks for the deck. And you got your standard price on grip tape and hardware, $60 for the bearings and about $40 for the wheels. So you're looking at $260, like somewhere around $350 for a skateboard. I would say minimum you need to be spending $200 so you don't get a trash board or some Walmart board. So this is definitely getting close to double what you would pay doing kind of your bare bones shop deck. But when you get something in your mind where you're like, I want this, I want it, I need it to be done this way, I will go through whatever steps I have to do to make that possible. And this is the end result. When I put this grip tape on, I didn't even think about the fact that it basically matches the underside. We got the blue and the yellow. So without even thinking about it, I guess I made a Ukrainian deck. But anyways, shout out to Johnny Manak. Again, you can look up the video that Braille did, and I think he just recently appeared in another Braille one Was that the one with purple? When purple came to the shop? Not 100%. But anyways, check out Johnny Manak. You can find Manak Skates. Just Google it. You can find their shop. Order it direct from them. Shout out again. It's super cool to get a personalized note and a little poster. I need to send him a message showing his appreciation. Showing some appreciation for him doing that. So again, there you go. If you're looking for a US made deck, if you're a similar project, you can go this route. Independent trucks, they not only do not carry their logo anymore because it's considered faux pas, but they're made in China. So if you want US made trucks, I would recommend trying to get a used set or an unused new old stock set off eBay. This particular seller actually worked off eBay, so I was able to save some money there. I didn't have to pay certain fees and stuff, and he obviously saved some money by doing it off eBay. Don't let eBay know that, because they kind of frown upon that, but hey, you got to do what you got to do to save some money. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoy my little deck. It was a fun little project. If you guys are skating out there, be careful, wear your protective equipment, and let me know what you guys think. Take care. Peace out.